In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix website not secure on Shopify. If your storefront is showing a not secure message, it typically points to mixed content on the page or an SSL certificate that hasn't been fully provisioned yet. We'll walk through a quick theme update and then confirm your plan and billing so Shopify can issue and maintain your SSL correctly. First, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store to access your themes page. Next to your live theme, click the three dots and choose Edit Code. This opens the theme files in Shopify's code editor, where we'll make a small, safe adjustment. In the left sidebar, open the Layout folder, then select Theme, Liquid. This file controls the head section that loads across your entire site, so it's the right place to ensure secure assets and proper headers. In the editor, press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac to search within the file. Search for the head area so you can see where global scripts and meta tags are defined. When you find it, place your cursor just before that tag, add a blank line for clarity, and then paste the code shown on your screen for this tutorial. This snippet is designed to help the browser treat your pages and assets as secure. Don't delete anything else, just add the new code where shown. When you're done, click Save and wait for the confirmation that your changes were saved successfully. Next, return to your admin home. Open Settings from the bottom of the left menu. Select Plan, then choose a plan if your store hasn't selected one yet. An active plan ensures Shopify can issue and maintain the SSL certificate tied to your store and domain. After choosing a plan, go to Billing and add a valid payment method. Keeping billing in place allows automated SSL provisioning and renewals to run in the background without interruption. With those steps complete, give Shopify a few minutes to update everything. Open your storefront in a new browser tab to check the status. If you still see the old warning, try a hard refresh or open the site in a private browsing window to bypass cached results. Remember, third-party content loaded over HTTP, such as images, scripts, or fonts, can trigger warnings. The code change you added helps, but make sure any custom links you've added elsewhere also use HTTPS. That's it. You updated theme. Liquid is shown. Saved your changes. Confirmed your plan, and added billing so SSL can be provisioned correctly. Your site should now display as secure with the padlock in the address bar. If the status doesn't flip immediately, allow a little time and check again. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.